Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Kinder Egg Easter Bunny. So let's get started. To draw this super sweet bunny, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. Start with a top curve, round off the sides, and connect at the bottom with another curve. There. Then from there we're going to find the center, so say about right here. I'm going to go straight down with a line, and then I'm going to curve around on both sides. Goes nice and round on both sides and come back to about right there. So let's do the same thing here. Let's go up. Same thing, we're going to come about right here and come down. There. Now from there we're going to draw the mouth. So about here I'm going to draw a deep curve that comes down and goes right back up. And let's draw some bunny teeth. So right in here I'm going to draw a little tooth and a tongue at the bottom. And I'll just go ahead and shade this all in black so you can see it better. There. And then underneath this mouth, we're just going to draw a soft curve right under. Now to draw the eyes. So before I draw the eyes, I'm just going to come about right here in this top part right here and just draw a curve that comes out. And same thing over here. So about right here, just draw a curve that comes out. Now that I have these two tentative curves, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. We're going to put them right here. So I'm going to start about right here and we're going to go up as if we're drawing a big oval and come right back down. Nice and big. And same thing over here. So go up just like the other side, nice and high. And come right back down. There. Now that I have these two curves in, let's draw the eyes inside. So I'm going to come in here and draw another oval, nice and big. And then inside right here, I'm going to add a little circle for a highlight. And then I'm going to surround it with another oval. And shape this part all in. So then your bunny's eye color will be right here in this white area. So let's do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw this big, whoops, you know what? I forgot. I need to draw the outside one first, right? Sorry. So I'm going to draw a big oval first. So we're actually going to the inside, and then we're going to draw another highlight right here, just like the other side, and then surround it. And shape this part in. There. I made this one come down more, huh? Let's do that same thing with this side then. I think that's a little bit easier. There. Okay, so now that I have the bunny eyes in, sorry for the confusion. We're going to go ahead on the top of each eye and just going to draw a soft curve that kind of slopes downwards on each eye. Then from there we can go ahead and start to draw the cheek area. So I'm going to bring this out to about, say about right here. And I'm just going to zigzag some fur. And I want to bring it back down to about right here and give this bunny a little chin. So right under here, I'm just going to draw a deeper curve. Right there, and then I'll connect this right here with a big curve and then just connect it down. So let's do the same thing over here. About right here. Zigzag, and once again nice and round, and bring it back. There. And then now we can go ahead and draw the top. So it's going to be about right here. We're going to come out here and here. And so let's go to the top, and we need to draw some fur on the top. So I would say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and start and draw some zigzags for the top. And then go ahead and bring it down and connect. So this side's going to pop out this way. And once again, connect. There, finally we have the head in. Okay, so then now to make it look extra bunny-ish, let's come to the center And we're going to draw some bunny ears. So let's go up and round it off and bring it down. So same thing here. Go up, center, and round it off and bring it in. Then let's draw the inside. Go up, and so I'm just following the outside. Up and down. There, finally done with the head. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and draw a cute little body. We're going to draw some suspenders, so let's come right underneath here, right in this, here and here. So we're going to center it and come down with a deep curve and go right back up. Same thing here. Go right back up. And I'm going to come here and draw a button right in here. And you can put a little X in there if you like. And then right in between here, we're just going to draw a soft curve. And then we're going to draw the shoulder. So about right here, come down and down. From there, let's go ahead and draw where the suspenders would be. So let's overall, so about right here, I'm just going to bring out a curve. This is kind of like where the armpit would be, about right here. I'm just drawing this curve and a little angle line. So on this side, be about the same thing. So about right here, draw that curve. And let's draw this hand first because it kind of comes right in here with a pocket in his pocket. So I'm going to draw a curve right there. And let's bring this out, angle it in. So it's bent. And then about right here, I'm just going to cut it off. And add a little curve right here, and then bring this in. So just want to make sure you have this little curve right here. Put the hand in the pocket. Then on this side, we're just going to continue down like usual. So angle out a little bit right there, and then we're going to bring it in. So before we do that, let's bring this in. So we're going to come down, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center. About in this area, and in the center I'm going to draw a straight line, say about that much, and we're going to start to draw the legs. So let's bring this down, we're going to angle it down, and same thing here. Just going to angle it down, and from there go ahead and connect on both sides. Now to draw the cuff, come out, pop this out, and connect. There. And then the bunny feet, we're going to come out with a curve and just going to simplify it. So 2 curves and just connect. And you can draw 2 little curves right there. Same thing here. I'm going to pop this out, round it off, and connect, and 2 little curves. There. Okay, so then now that we have one hand in the pocket, we're going to put one hand holding a flower. So I'm going to bring this out about right here and about right here. Let's connect about there. Bring this up a little bit more. And so then in this area, we're going to draw the hand. So about right there, I'm going to come out and draw a thumb. Then I'm going to add some fingers right here. So I'll just pop out this little oval in this area. You can add some curves right there if you like. And just go ahead and connect that. And then we're going to stick a flower in here. And so about in this area, I'm going to draw a circle and some petals all the way around. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's spruce up his overalls here. So I'm going to come about right here, close to this bottom part, about here. I'm going to go ahead and draw these waves that go across. So we know that is a Kinder egg, right? And then right here, we're going to draw a little droplet and then a circle And then we need to draw a heart right here, of course, to make my draw so cute. Kinder Bunny. And then let's write the word Kinder right here. So I'll just go ahead and say about right here. I'll just quickly write the word Kinder in these block letters. So K-I, hopefully you can see that, N, D, E, oh, E and R. Yay, I can fit it in. So always remember, cuties, when you get running out of space, just make them skinnier. If you have too much space, just make your letters fatter. So I have the word Kinder in there, and then that is pretty much it for our bunny. Let's spruce it up, of course, and add some grass right here so that we know our bunny is outside enjoying the sunshine and hunting for some Easter eggs, right? So in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a big egg. Maybe one here as well, even bigger one. And you can decorate it however you like. I'm just going to simplify mine. And we can add some flowers, of course. Maybe one here. There. And that is pretty much it for my version of the Kinder Egg Easter Bunny. And I really hope this drawing inspires you and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.